The way AI already enhances our RPA implementations is basically in two ways. Either for processes where there are cognitive decisions to be made, or if there's any unstructured data at the input of an RPA process, that's where you cannot write all the rules or program all the rules within your RPA robot, but you want to leverage machine learning or AI solutions to deal with these kind of situations.
RPA will be embedded with AI, with machine learning. It will be part of the RPA nature. And we actually are already doing this. I think we are actually the only vendor that has a particular feature of using computer vision, so a neural network, to understand the screen how a human eye would understand a computer screen, by really understanding, okay, what's a button, what's a table, what's a frame, and so forth. And we do this for a particular purpose. We do this to make the robots even more resilient to changes of the application.
Two great examples of situations where AI already enhances RPA implementations is in two subfields. So one of them is conversational AI, and the other one is document AI. So for conversational AI, this means everything around chatbots and voice bots. So we actually build solutions where you can call your chatbot and then it will, of course, hand over the information to your RPA robot. And the other situations are around document AI, processing tons of emails or documents that are unstructured and need to be handled afterwards by an RPA solution.
So for example, very often when you have a legal document or a contract and you want to eradicate any kind of personal information, you need to do OCR, you need to understand the document, you need to understand what is personal identifiable information in order to blank that out and then regenerate or produce the kind of anonymized document. So we have a demo that, for example, shows that how a computer or the robot in this case basically takes this document, understands what type of document it is, then understands where all the sensitive, according to PII, relevant kind of information to black out, blacks out those, plus I can even choose additional components that I want to black out, I don't know, company name or whatever I want to do, and then generate this kind of modified PDF file with the information so that I can share.
The biggest benefit of combining RPA with AI is that you can now take the robot out of your entire organization because the automation opportunities are endless. Our advice would be to just start experimenting with AI and really make your digital workforce intelligent.